Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer, the Senior Librarian at the Westwood Library, and I'm also a neighborhood scientist. Did you know that there is real and fun science that you can do to help scientists in labs understand the environment in your community for their research? And you can do this all without a degree. Today, I'm going to show you a super cool citizen science tool that you can use to make and share your observations with other scientists and researchers. And if you're not sure what you're observing, this tool can even help you identify your observations. Let's check it out. It's easy and fun, right? Now that you've learned how this tool works, just snap a photo of your observation and upload it to the iNaturalist app to share with the iNaturalist community. Not only you, but scientists, amateur naturalists, and hobbyists in the iNaturalist community will get to learn more about the biodiversity in your neighborhood. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.